Tikkun Olam is a Jewish concept that means repairing the world. At our school, we believe that it's our responsibility to make the world a better place. We do this through various projects and initiatives.
Our school has a strong focus on community service, and we encourage our students to get involved in projects that can make a difference in people's lives. Tikkun Olam is not just being good for others, but it is also about making our environment sustainable for future generations.
Even our younger students learn about Tikkun Olam through activities that promote kindness, compassion, and respect for others.
The Jewish values of Tikkun Olam inspire our students to take action and make a positive impact on the world.
We teach our students that even small actions can make big difference, and that every individual has the power to make the world a better place.
Tikkun Olam means being kind to my friends and helping my community. Tikkun Olam means taking care of the earth and making sure that it's healthy for everyone. We can do it by recycling and reducing waste. Tikkun Olam means making a difference in my community and helping those in need.
Tikkun Olam means using my skills and talents to create a better world for all.
Tikkun Olam is not just a concept, but it's a way of life. We strive to create a culture of kindness, compassion, and social responsibility, and we hope that our students will continue to make the world a better place once they leave our doors.